In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number in Hubstaff. Taking the time to properly set up your Hubstaff account can make your workflow smoother and ensure that you're easily reachable through all necessary channels. Adding your phone number is a crucial step to achieving this. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the process. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Hubstaff app or website and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll notice a profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This step is the gateway to access and modify your personal settings. So it's important to know where it is for any future account tweaks you might want to make. After you've clicked on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select the My Account option. This selection will direct you to your account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account details. This area is really the control center for your personal information, so having a good look around here could be beneficial for discovering additional settings you might want to adjust. Now, you should find yourself on a page dedicated to your account settings. Here, you'll see an array of options, all related to your personal and contact information. Look for the area labeled Phone Number. Once you spot it, click on it to start the process of adding your phone number. It's worth noting that keeping your contact details up to date is a good practice, not just in Hubstaff, but generally in any online account. To ensure that communication lines remain open and effective, you'll then be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure to input it correctly to avoid any potential issues with contactability in the future. A quick double check at this stage could save you from potential headaches down the line. Remember to include any necessary area or country codes, depending on your location, to ensure your number is formatted correctly. Once you've successfully entered your phone number, you'll want to save these changes. Usually there's a save or update button located somewhere towards the bottom of the page. Clicking this button is essential to confirm that your new phone number is securely stored and that everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. Your phone number is now added to your Hubstaff account. As simple as that. By keeping this and your other personal information current, Hubstaff will not only be able to reach you more efficiently when needed, but help ensure a more seamless and synchronized experience while you manage tasks and projects. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back here for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your digital tools.